This 2012 Outdoors RV Timber Ridge 250 FLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used outdoors RV is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.